What's up, YouTube? It's your boy. I'm back. You see me, I'm sweating. It is hot. I ain't been up here in a while. But I'm finally gonna give you guys what y'all been waiting for, and that is a driving video of my Grand National. And we, as you read by the title, we are taking it to go get 3-inch exhaust from the downpipe back. So to about underneath my passenger seat, well, actually about where your feet would be in the passenger seat, is 3-inch, and it goes to 2.5 to the factory. Well, the exhaust that was underneath the car. So I'm gonna start it up, give you guys a sound clip, and then we're gonna hit the road and take it to the exhaust shop. And then we're gonna come back and give you guys what the new exhaust looks like and what I think about it. So let's get this turned around. All right, guys. So Buick sitting here amongst all the other fleet of cars around here. All the other cars. But so here she go, my 1986 Buick Grand National. And I'm gonna show you guys what we're gonna do. So there's all my parts and everything. This thing is SLP stainless steel straight through. I think they're called street steels mufflers. So they're stainless steel, straight through design, 3-inch, real nice muffler. I ran them on a GTO. And so we're gonna get those put on, and a new Y pipe and 3-inch from turbo all the way back. So we're gonna get a sound clip. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna just, next thing you see, guys, is we're gonna be driving to take this thing to the muffler shop. So you guys can tune in, watch me drive through Eastern Carolina. You'll get some sound clips of the car, and we might do a little talking on the way, or we might just do a little music over it. So you guys enjoy. Alright guys, so we're back home. When I got there, he wasn't in the shop, he was in the house, so we didn't do any video in there. But once we get it all, he gives me the call and I go pick it up after work. Hopefully, I'm hoping he does go ahead and knock it out tomorrow. If not, it'll be Tuesday, but we'll give you an update. But what I wanted to show you guys is we just took delivery on another one. It's a customer's car, so the turbo work is flowing in. As you saw, we had a Toyota MR2 on the channel. We did a little bit of work on that, but this is more so what you guys probably are looking for. I'm just gonna give you a peek. Ha! So stay tuned. If you stayed here for this long, you'll come back. Yes, it is what you think it is. It is in the Buick family. That's all I'm gonna tell you. So stay tuned. It is turbo. We out.